Hey there, hope everybody's having a great day. Today it's going to be a good day. We're going to be taking a look at an Oris, and you can see by the plain model behind me there, we're going to be looking at one of the Oris aviation watches. So here we got the Oris gray box with the black one inside, and let's take a look at it. This is an Oris Big Crown ProPilot, and this is the GMT version. Let's take a closer look at it. Very cool watch. This is a great aviation watch. Looks very heavily military inspired. And if you look at the case design, it's slightly lower profile, a little smaller. The thickness of the case than your standard, Big Crown ProPilots. Very cool overall. Let's take a look at this guy without the plastic on it. And there you go. You can see there the band is actually I was reading about that from Oris. They said it's a special fabric that they use for the strap, and it was first developed by the British Royal Air Force during the Second World War, and it's called Ventile, and I think that is a cool addition to the aviation family of watches here with this this special type of strap. And you can see the case here. It's definitely an Oris Big Crown, but like I said, the case is slightly different. Now this is a GMT, and that red arrow there is your GMT indicator there. Okay, so this Big Crown ProPilot GMT we're taking a look at. This reference number for this model is 0174640632202LC, and it is an automatic watch. Oris only makes automatic watches. So this watch here, it is a Big Crown ProPilot, but it looks slightly different than the other ones. For this particular model, they redesigned it. The case of the ProPilot has been redesigned to offer a slimmer fit and to hug the wrist a little more. Overall, it's a great design. I like it. And here you can see it on my wrist. Easy to read numbers, very important. And I love the military look of it. It's a perfect pilot's watch. This watch size is actually 44 millimeters. The case, of course, is stainless steel, and it's just a watch that's sure to get a lot of attention. Looks cool, and you can see it on my wrist. It doesn't look too overpowering, and it does feel comfortable. And here, let's take a look at the dark. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to check out the video. Have a good one.